Another one of the riders jumping through the whoops.
33-year-old from Oregon in the U.S. One career.
Oh, is he go for the quad?
Oh, he made it! And the crowd loved it here in Cardiff.
The first
he
rider.
knows it.
Make a move. Can he get around Brown? No room. And somehow Brown goes down for the inside. Oh, Hampshire didn't make it through. He got stuck. Jen Lawrence is down.
Total carnage, and now RJ takes the banner. That's going to clog.
Brown is down. Fry is down. Robertson is down. And everything he has to hold Sexton up. They almost collide. Webb down hard at the finish line.
Yeah, watch right here. He gets a little kick and just goes high on the berm and just lays the bike over, nothing major, but he gets caught up in this gas banner.
That's what he thinks of
the gas. There's a track worker out there that it took him a while to put that up. He is not happy that this kid from Australia comes through and tears down all of it.
Oh, fuck. You all right? You okay?
Here, right behind the champ. Look at that! Look at this!
They made contact and go down.
Oh,
Stewart and Bogle. Oh, his foot is trapped right through the rear tire. Now he's free. Oh! And he goes right after Malcolm Stewart.
Carson Mumford, I believe that is, around the outside. A couple riders down in the first turn. Is that both Monster Pro Circuit Kawasaki men? Both.
So this is before going to the back part of the track. He lands. Oh, rips his feet. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Well, that'll do it. Yeah.
Here it is.
So they come through the finish line. Gravity cavity there.
Oh, whoa!
What the? That is one. And he hits that tailbone bad. See, this is what we're talking about, how much power they have. But look, it bottoms out and then just rebounds, and then watch this.
Oh, he gets nailed by the bike.
That hurt.
You never see a rider at this level loop out like that.
Behind the start straight. So this is through the foot. Oh, he washes out.
Uh-oh.
It's just starting to get slick and shiny there. He's going to get a look here. Oh, you see. Yeah, that's that triple. Oh,
wow.
Yeah, that's that triple step up that I was talking about that kind of pushes you off the track. He lands a little wide. Try to stay on and bank off that berm, but as you
look here, what happens? He scrubs it. Oh, he scrubs it. And he might have just got a little too loose and just.
And the chaos begins. We're underway. Forward to the main event. Oh, and a bunch go down. Looks like the 260 qualified. This is what started at Ricky
right here. Watch this. Before and why Justin would have done that. Just got up a little bit too high, pushed the front end.
A little crash here from the 74.
Oh, look, he comes up straight over the handlebars. He hits square on top. Oh, here we go. Big one. Oh, both of them down.
They both went down.
That is it. So Kopp and Schlosser are down, and they're having words. They are frustrated with the
not a good thing for Michael Mosman to start it. Just gets closed up right there.
Oh, Carson Brown on the 910.
Yeah, collides with Carson Brown. Then check this out. He gets trapped under the cycle. Right here, can't get out. Can't.
Watch the front end.
Yeah.
Shimoda.
See the Shimoda there. I just don't think he's freezing. He would have a perfect opportunity to make the pass up the inside.
He goes wide and takes him down. He takes Christian Craig to the ground.
Oh, he's going to go outside. He's going to possibly ruin Christian Craig's night.
You said help.
Yeah, when I said help, meaning
No?
someone. No, that was by himself. He comes into that corner. What happens there? He tries to lean the bike over.
I like what Webb does towards the end of this.
Yeah, great sportsmanship, but it looks like
Jason Anderson. Check out Cooper Webb to your point. Trying to help get the bike off him. You never know what's dealing with underneath there.
Yeah, I faced him a little bit last year, and I knew if I lined up next to him, it was going to be.
on the mechanics of the motorcycle. Oh, looks like his front tire.
Right in the way. Down over the bars. He's under the motorcycle. You see the
What happens here? He's going to try to. It's Harriman.
Yeah.
Yep.
216 of Devin Harriman. Both are down. Kopp looks.
Just wonder if that's after the whoop. Going to get a replay. Here's the replay. Oh.
That's 260 of Woodcock goes. Darling to the left of him. The revs up. The gate will drop in Anaheim. Not a great start for Martin. He got. It's Ferrandis. Dylan Ferrandis down in the first corner.
Here's a replay of the crash. Look at Ferrandis. He goes in there. Tomac closes the door, and Dylan starts to just lean a little bit to the right, gets tangled up, and Krug.
Who was in position to capitalize. He goes down.
Right there, getting into that corner. You can see the track's a little shiny right there. Of that lap.
Here a little bit. Oh, Michael Mosman is down, and that is in the whoops as well.
The whoops claiming another victim.
And then Vince Freese gets
Starting to spin and goes sideways. Yeah, he doesn't miss one. Oh, he does right there.
When we came around for our sight lap, me and Tedesco were talking about it right before we went out, and I told him he had it. And he
Is it just going to roll over?
him out. Gets the final transfer.
He just could not get his feet underneath him.
Shame, he was running well. Final transfer.
He just could not get his feet underneath him. Watch Van Buskirk right here, so he just couldn't keep it on.
Everything's good. He's on the outside. Oh! Whoa, it's almost like something happened. It's like his throttle stuck or something. That was really weird. He goes to exit the corner. And,
Here comes Sexton again, and Nichols cuts him off, and they both go down. Oh, Nichols cut him off, and into the barriers goes Chase Sexton, and now